friends, family, farmers. This is Mark at Cutting Edge Solutions in lovely Sonoma County, California. I'm here at our factory to explain a couple of products that we kind of get constant questions about what it is and how it works. Specifically today we're talking about Sugaree and Sour-Dee. Sugaree and Sour-Dee are sugar sources that provide energy in late flower when your plant becomes deficient in making those sugars on its own. We derive it from organic cane sugar. They both have the same sugar input. We complex them with fruit esters and amino acids. This cocktail, together with a good source of manganese from your base or from our Uncle John's blend, will create a cocktail that will open up a signal pathway and send this sugar and amino acids to the top of the plant. This fortifies the plant with all the elements that they need to make esters and terpenes. The combination of all these elements creates a sugar chelate called adenosine triphosphate. Now again, normally plants make sugar on their own. This sugar complex is actually absorbed late in flower. In the maturation zone of the roots cells tend to roughen up and open up larger than they typically are. In late flower, when the plant is low in sugar because its ability to make it on its own slows down, it can send signals and draw sugar straight from the ground into the plant's xylem and push it up to the plant. That allows the plant to keep pushing larger yields and more flavors late into flower, when typically the plant would just stop these processes of respiration and finish its ripening cycle. Basically what we have in variations here is nothing more than the esters that we add to the plant. With Sour-Dee, we complex this sugar with sour apple and grapefruit oil. With Sugaree, we complex it with berry oils. Nothing more than the oil. We use a vacuum process to separate the oil from the blossom and then fortify it with these products. The sugars here will also feed the microbiology in your soil. Inoculants such as mycorrhizae, fungi, trichoderma, bacillus, the sugar here will actually fortify and invigorate those microbes. So you can use it early in flower at a lower dilution, 5 milliliters per gallon, but the most important time is in late flower, again when the plant is deficient in the production of those sugars and flavors. So late flower, last 2 to 3 weeks is when you use this product. You can also use it to flush your plants. When you're in late flower and you want to remove those leftover salts and metals, this sugar source, again with the organic potassium that's in it, will drive that plant's ability to push metals and salts out of its center mass, as well as all of the final salt breakdown and metal processes pushing out of the plant. So that's basically what Sugaree and Sour-Dee are. Very simple, straightforward, and if you guys have any questions, you can always reach us directly through our social media channels, Instagram, Facebook. We're on Twitter at Cutting Edge Solutions, and you can go to our website, cuttingedgesolutions.com. Give us a call here anytime at the factory if you have more specific questions, and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.